Do you own a home that needs to be rehabbed, that needs updating, and now you're going through your head like, do I need to make these repairs and upgrades and rehabs in order to sell my home? If I call a realtor, are they going to, have me do inspections and make repairs and do all these things before I sell, right? These are the thoughts that are going through the mind of just about everyone selling a home, right? Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Matt Walsh. I'm the owner of Academy Home Buyers here in Virginia Beach, and we buy houses throughout the 7 cities of Hampton Roads. We're a local, we buy houses company. That means that we buy houses for cash, right? So what does that mean to you? Imagine you're in this situation, and this is something that we see all the time. You have a house, maybe you inherited it, or maybe it's your home that you've lived in for years, and you have a big problem like the roof. Like the roof is leaking, it hasn't been repaired or replaced in 20, 30, or 40 years, right? So it's leaking maybe in the bathroom, or it's coming in the eaves, and it's damaging your walls, and the roof is just, this part's missing, and you reach out to a local Hampton Roads company, and they're like, yeah, $8,000, $9,000 to replace the roof. Another $4,000 or $5,000 to fix the drywall and the wet insulation. And you're like, Matt, I don't have $15,000, $20,000 to make those repairs. Am I going to be stuck with this home, right? And then the fear sets in, like, am I ever going to be able to sell my home? What am I going to do, right? And that's the question. Can you sell a home with that needs a lot of repairs? And I'm not talking about it needs some paint and needs some rugs. I'm talking about a house that, the roof is bad and leaking, or, is falling apart. The furnace is old, the hot water heater is old and leaking. There's holes in the walls. The plaster or the drywall has holes, and it's got damages, and the floor is damaged. The foundation has problems. What can you do, right? So you have a couple options. Number one, you could fix the house up. You can make all those repairs and then sell it, but chances are you don't have the $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 it might take to bring the home up to standard. Or you can call a realtor and try to sell it as is. But I can tell you, because I'm a realtor as well down here in Virginia, that's not necessarily the easiest process either. You still have to deal with inspections and appraisals usually, and lenders, and then there's negotiations back and forth, and the process can take a while, can easily take a couple of months. Right? Or another option that might be your best option, it's not for everybody, but it could be for you if you're in one of these situations, is to sell your home to a company like us. Right? We make the process simple. We take away the stress of having that house and wondering whether you should make all the repairs, if you can make the repairs, if you have the money or the resources. We take care of it all. What you got to do is go to academyhomebuyers.com, put your information on the form there. It's just your address, your phone number, and your email. And in a couple of minutes, I'm going to call you, and we'll talk about it. I'll come to your home. I'll spend 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes walking around your home, taking a look, taking more measurements, and then I will give you a cash offer on the spot. That offer is good for everything, right? We're not going to come in and now have an inspector and, the roof needs to be replaced. Oh, we got to fix this, and we got to fix that. You have these problems. I'm not worrying about them. We're going to fix the home up, and we're going to take the load off of you. It's very, very simple. We can close in as little as 20 or 30 days, or maybe you need more time. Maybe you need time to find your next home. Well, we can arrange that too. We work with you. The best part of working with someone like us here at Academy Home Buyers is that we can take your Hampton Roads, your Virginia Beach, your Suffolk, your Portsmouth home, your Newport News home, and we can buy it from you on your terms. We make you an offer. If it works for you, we proceed. And if it doesn't, I'm going to still try to help you out and give you the best advice and point you in the best direction possible. That's what this is all about, making things easy for you. All right, if you'd like to know more about us, or if you'd like to get an offer on your home, click the buttons below or around this video, or go to our website at academyhomebuyers.com and just put your information in, and like I said, in about 5 or 10 minutes, I'm going to give you a call, and from there, it's simple. All right, have a great day.